We live in a culture that says, I got this, I got this. And the truth is, I ain't got this.
Yo, hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown.
After a lot of my assemblies, I would say the top 5 responses I get from students as far as what they got from the assembly, one of the answers is always to respect others, because you never know what somebody's going through. That everybody can relate with that because we all go through stuff. And a lot of stuff we go through you don't see, no one knows about until we say something. So let me give you just something I think is so beneficial. It's been beneficial to me as I go through things in my own life, personal life, is this: nothing will change until the unsaid is spoken. Nothing will change until the unsaid is spoken. If I want things to change in my life, I need to speak up, because sometimes that means I gotta ask for help. And that is so hard, to ask other people to help you, because we live in a culture that says, I got this, I got this. And the truth is, I ain't got this. I need help, and we all need help at some point. Because right now I'm going through something that you might actually notice if you saw me walking around. Because I'm currently wearing a boot on my foot. I twisted it over a month ago, and I've been fine, been walking around fine. All of a sudden yesterday, out of nowhere, can't walk. Had my wife bring me my boot so I can walk around. And the sad thing is, even wearing the boot, it still hurt. So I had to walk around with a boot on my foot and the crutch at the same time. And that's, that frustrates me a lot. That makes me very frustrated. I can't just get around on my own. I need help. And I struggle with that. And when it comes to respecting others, it's like I need to respect them, give them space, and try to have something called empathy. Empathy is the idea that trying to understand what they're going through. I may not fully be able to sympathize with you, but I can try to put myself in your shoes and say, you know what? If I was going through that, how would I want somebody to treat me? Because we don't know why people do the things they do. We don't know why they act the way they do. All we see is the outside, but we know there's something going on the inside. So when it comes to respecting others, try to have something called empathy, to try to understand what somebody's going through. And if you don't like somebody, that's on you. Hey, give them space, give them a lot of space. But always remember this: to respect their humanity, that they're human beings, they deserve respect. Even if you don't like what they did, you don't like them, I get that, but at least respect their humanity. And it's a choice. And when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So always choose well. Oh yeah.